Hello. So today I'm going to tell you a little bit about a project that I've kind of been working on through this past week. I've been eating loads of oranges, so I decided I'm going to try and teach myself how to make orange essential oil. Okay, so orange essential oil is really good because it's antibacterial. It's really good for cleaning surfaces. It's also very good if you put it into your dishwashing liquid because it helps to break up fats. It's a really good degreaser. It's great to put into your laundry detergent for the same reason. It helps to get rid of the stains. Anyway, so super easy to do, and hey, I had lots of raw material handy. So the first thing you need to do is once you've peeled your orange, you're going to let the peels dry for a little bit, usually about 2 or 3 days. Okay, once you've dried it, you grind it. I used my coffee grinder. I know you coffee aficionados are horrified, but I cleaned it properly afterwards. Anyway, so you grind down the dried up peels, and then you take it, you put it into a clean glass bowl, all right? And then you top it off with vodka. All right, so you want to basically have about, a few centimeters above the line of the ground oranges. Okay, so you top it up with vodka and then you cover it. I just put one of my cutting boards on top of the bowl, and you're going to cover it and you're going to leave it like that for about a week. All right, every few days you open it up and you give it a bit of a stir because you want to make sure that you're getting all of the active ingredient out of the orange peels or the rinds. Okay, so you do that, and then once you're done with that, after about a week or so, you're going to strain the balance of the active ingredients. So I'm going to show you here in this video how to do that.
Okay, so this is cheesecloth, and we're going to use this to filter the orange rind and the pulp out of the remaining solution, so that hopefully we're going to be finishing off with just the essential oil from the orange peels. Okay, so cheesecloth is something you can buy in the grocery store. It's usually in the baking aisle, the same place where you'd find your flour and your sugar and so forth. I had to ask for help because trust me, it's hard to find. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to place the cheesecloth over the top of the jar, and then we're going to pour the pulp or so forth over the top of this. I'm going to use an elastic band just to secure it. Okay, so now that we have the elastic band over the top, we're going to very slowly and hopefully not messily pour the orange oil or the remainder over the cheesecloth. Pray for me. Okay, so seems to be going well. Let's hope I'm not pouring it on the counter because I can't really see what I'm doing, but that's okay. All right. Okay, and yeah, I'm just going to grab a spoon. This is very exciting. It's almost like baking, which I'm not very good at. Okay, all right, just gonna give it a squish, and then I'll show you the final product. And hopefully that will be orange oil, which I'm excited about. I've been eating so many oranges. Okay, I'm going to squeeze as much of this out as possible. Yes, it's a very messy business. That smells really good. Okay.
Okay, so I hope that was helpful and I hope you thought it was interesting. It was super easy to do. So give it a try and you can mix that raw material that you've created with anything that you're using. You can even do it for furniture polish. I forgot to mention that. Walnut oil as a base, and then you add your orange oil to that, and it's really good for protecting your furniture. All right. Have a good day. Thanks for listening. And if you liked what you heard, click that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you'll know about it. Thanks so much for listening. Take care. Bye-bye.